Hey, what's up guys? Welcome again. It's Martin Unix here. Guys, I'm ready to show you on how to do a braided updo on dreadlocks. So welcome guys. So guys, you just need to pick your lock strands to a middle pony and then tie using yarn that way. Let's begin guys, quickly. Be picking 6 strands that way. Just make a braid using such strands. Just make a simple braid, and that's how you come up with such braid. Remember to stay loose, don't tighten the braid all the way to the back. That's a 3 section conditional braid. That's how you plait the braid. Stay loose when doing so, all the way back guys. After reaching this part guys, I'm gonna use yarn to secure the tips. I find it easy to use yarn guys, other than rubber bands, because they give me results. So you can use rubber bands as well. And this how my braided part looks like. Have a look guys. It's loose, it's not much tightened. Let's go ahead and do another section just for the sake of our beginners. Remember guys, we have beginners here. That way. Just do a 3-strand braid. Stay loose whenever you're doing this guys, so that your braid can be flat. Don't interfere with the beauty of the braid, just let it stay loose so that the beautiness of the flatness of the braid can be exposed that way, all the way back. Now upon reaching this part guys, you can bring together the ending tips. You can bring together the ending tips guys and secure them using yarn, or else guys you can use rubber bands. Guys, now we are through with the braids. Now I'm going to show you, or else guys I'm going to take you through the molding process to make a braided updo. So by doing so guys, just pick your strands up once that way, braided. And guys, we have just shown on how to come up with these kind of braids, which are manageable. They are very loose braids. Now guys, we are going to do a updo here, and by doing so pick one of the braids, wrap it around that way loosely guys, don't tighten your braids up to that level. Pick another braid, just reinforce the ending tip of the previous braid that way up to that level. Now guys, after doing the second braid, the third braid guys will kick off by going downwards. Our third braid guys ends here. So let's pick another braid from this level. Just reinforce and secure the tip that way. the previous braid, and wrap your braid all the way around. So the other braid ends at this point. Just pick a strand from this area, pick a strand from this area, reinforce, move around, strand ends at this particular area, tuck it in a little bit, pick another strand, reinforce and secure the ending tip of the previous strand all the way around, tuck it in here because our strand ends at that point. Remember to pick strands which are in line to the ending tip of the previous strand so that you can reinforce and secure the ending tips. That way, guys, I will be picking another strand from this position so that it can pass at the area where the previous tip has just ended. That way, just reinforce that particular area. Our next strand ends at this far end. Pick a strand from this area, wrap around that way, all the way to that area. Just tuck it in, pick another strand, and the sequence continues, guys. It's kinda repetition all the way the back. That's how my bun is coming out, guys. It's a quick way of coming up with styles. Now this is a quick way, guys, of coming up with styles which look pleasing to the eye. So just pick the remaining strands. That way. Now we are remaining with one strand here. So this is the remaining strand, guys. Let's manage it till pass at that level all the way at the front area. Out to this level. So now you can mold your bun to your desired look. Just mold your bun before you reinforce it using yarn. Just quickly secure the bun at the base. And this is our final outlook, guys. This is our braided updo. You can have a look. It's a nice style, guys. It's a quick style for beginners. I wanna urge you guys to try out this one. It's a well balanced style. It's love. Now have a look guys at the center part. It's a nice style which can be worn in all occasions. Guys, with this style guys, you can do on your official errands. Guys, I want to urge you to stay locked on my channel for more tutorials to come, and I want to urge you guys to like my work, comment and share to your friends. Thank you.